Another great feature is enhanced one-touch starting system, with which you can start this bike just in one touch. See, it's a silent start. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. This time we have got a Honda BS6 CD110 Deluxe, and finally I want to show you something very special. Honda had included its entire bike range with kill switch. How cool is that? And this is the kill switch. See, it's a proper kill switch. So with that, let's start our video, guys. Talking about the engine, this all new Honda CD110 is powered by a new updated 109.51cc 4-stroke BS6 motor with a 4-speed gearbox. The engine produces 6.47 bhp at 7500 rpm and a max torque of 9.30 Nm at 5500 rpm. The fuel system is PGMI FI. The bike is equipped with both a self-start and a kickstart. Now coming to the chassis, the CD110 uses a diamond type frame with a telescopic suspension up front and a hydraulic suspension at the rear. Now talking about the tires, the bike features 80 by 100 18-inch tubeless tires on both front and rear. Talking about the brakes, the bike is equipped with a 130mm drum with combi brakes on both ends. Overall, the seat height is 735mm and the wheelbase of the bike is 1285mm. The fuel tank capacity is 9.1 liters, which is adequate for the city commute and will return a company claim mileage of 74 km per liter. The BS6 update make the bike even more fuel efficient than before, all thanks to the new PGMI FI BS6 engine. The curb weight of the bike is 112 kg. Honda has updated the bike entirely with new set of switch gears and finally included an on-off engine kill switch. The bodywork and switch gears are made out of good quality material and it looks very premium. Now the bike features an analog speedometer and a fuel gauge which resembles like old gen Hero Honda Splendor. You have 8 different color options to choose from, which comes into 2 variants, standard and deluxe. Now the ex-showroom price in Kerala starts at 66,055 rupees and 67,063 rupees. Now enough with the talking, guys, let's ride it and see how this bike feels and behaves in the real world. Hello guys, let's start our test ride. Let's see how this bike will perform on the real world. This bike falls into the commuter segment, which is much loved in our country as it's very usable and practical bike. I mean, the sitting posture is upright and the handlebars are wide. The speedometer looks a bit old-fashioned, and it will only give you minimal information, including the telltale lights. Sorry guys, we don't have the rear view mirrors here right now. We'll be installing it later. So now, talking about the comfort, the seat is very comfortable and it's well cushioned. Talking about the performance, the bikes pull very smoothly from the lower gears, and the initial punch of the motor is good and enough for a commuter. The gearbox feel a bit tight when shifting through second and third gears, and I think that needs to be running and braking. I guess it will be okay after the first service, but let's see. The cruising speed is same like any other commuter bike, and it will cruise smoothly on its economic range, which is 40 to 50 km per hour. But anything above that feels little stressed, as the top speed is about 86 km per hour. Because of wide and upright handlebar, the direction changes are easy, and the bike weighs just 112 kg, which make the bike quite easy to handle and use for day-to-day commuting. Now the suspension is well put together. It's softly sprung and gives good stability and comfort. The chassis is stiff and rigid. The tires also offer good grip on straight line and on corners. Honda could have included LED lights, as it's very common nowadays, but sadly they missed out on that. In my opinion, the CD100 offers a good comfort as per Honda standards. Because of that, it's better than the Hero Honda Splendor. The additional features include integrated headlamp and power switch, engine stop and start switch. The BS6 comes with a sealed chain and viscous air filter, and on top of that, Honda is offering 6 years warranty package, which will give you peace of mind and hassle-free riding on a longer run. So that's very good. So you can go for that, guys. So guys, now we'll do a braking test here. We'll get it up to 60 km speed and we'll try to stop it, and let's see how well it stops. And as it's a combi brake, we have to test it, right? So let's see. The brake seems good because it's a drum brake. The initial bite is okay, but not enough for stopping this bike when it's actually needed. It takes some time to get it to a full stop. So the feedback from the brake is not up to the mark.
So guys, this bike is equipped with a very wide seat, which is very comfortable both for the pillion and for the rider, because the foam is very thick and very wide. As you can see here, the seat is very comfortable. When I also ride it, it feels very comfy. And the another great feature is the enhanced one-touch starting system, with which you can start this bike just in one touch. See, it's a silent start.
So that's it with my first ride impression of the bike. Guys, please do like, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell icon for more similar contents.
See you guys. This is Mithun saying ciao. Bye.
Thanks for watching, guys. Please do subscribe to my channel.